So really it does a couple primary things here. One is it has these really flexible rings down here. I'd call these constriction rings. These are so that you can wrap your little buddy up and the boys below it and create a little bit of pressure there, which will help turn your little buddy into a big buddy, and it'll stay like that for longer just because of that constriction that's going to be happening there. Then over here, of course, we have the main part, which is the thruster. There is a motor right through here that will thrust this and vibrate it at the same time. Really easy to use this. You just hold this button down for just a couple seconds here, and every time that you press that button, you can see there it's obviously doing its work. What you can't see is it's also vibrating at the same time. Now, there are a total of 9 different modes. So you can do low, medium, and high, so you can change the intensity. And then there's several others that are like the, I'd call them like the stop-start. You can see how this one kind of stops and starts. So if you like it less intense, if you like it more intense, if you like it fast, if you like it slow, whatever it is, 9 total modes for you to choose from there. Now, this is a silicone exterior on here, which means it's kind of soft to the touch. It's also easier to clean with just some soap and water. This did not include any sort of lubricant, though. You're definitely going to need some for this part right here, so make sure you have some on hand. If not, put some Lube Life or Astroglide or something like that onto your cart. Now, the key here, though, is when you're actually using this and you want to change the mode, you don't want to have to be fumbling around to find that button. It's just going to ruin the whole mood. So they have a remote control right here, and with this remote control, you can control everything right here. You can go through the different modes. You can go fast. You can go slower. You can actually pause it if you need to pause it or turn it off. You just hold the power button down for a couple seconds. You can see that it's paused. And so this is really the way that you want to go, is hands-free. There is an accompaniment app that you can use to do a lot of these different functions, and even somebody can control it remotely if you wanted to. But if you don't want to use the app, if you're just in it for the actual toy itself, it works totally fine without it. So if you are in the market, whether it's for you or for somebody else trying to spice some things up, put this one here on your list to check out.